Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Hi, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Emily.
And I'm Jack.
Today's lesson is super important, and so many learners find it confusing.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to use the word would in English.
Would is one of the most common words in the English language, and once you understand it, your English will sound so much more natural.
So stay with us until the end because we have lots of great examples and conversations for you.
And if you are new here, welcome to our Daily English Talks family.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button so you never miss a new lesson.
Okay, Jack, shall we begin?
Yes, I would love to. Let's go.
Okay, first, what is would?
Many learners ask, is it past tense? Is it future? What is it exactly?
Good question. Would is a modal verb. It is used in many different situations.
Today, we will focus on the three most common and useful ways to use would.
Number 1, for polite requests and offers.
Number 2, for wishes and imaginary situations.
Number 3, for habits in the past.
Don't worry, we will explain everything with simple examples and real conversations.
By the end of this video, you will feel very confident using would.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's learn together.
Let's start with the first use, would for polite requests and offers. This is the most common one.
When you want to ask for something politely, you use would.
For example, would you like some tea? Would you help me, please? I would like a glass of water.
You see, instead of saying, do you want tea, we say, would you like some tea?
It sounds much more polite and friendly.
Say it with me. Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
Very good. Now try, I would like to order, please.
I would like to order, please.
Perfect. Remember, I would like is always more polite than I want.
In restaurants, shops, offices, always use I would like. People will be very impressed.
Now let's hear a real conversation. We are at a cafe.
Good morning. Welcome. What would you like today?
Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Of course. Would you like milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. I would like a little milk, not too much.
Sure. And would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I would like a sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
I would like to sit outside, please. It's a beautiful day.
Perfect. I'll bring your order in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Did you notice? We used would like many times in that conversation.
Would like is your best friend in English. In cafes, restaurants, shops, everywhere.
Now let's look at the second use, would for wishes and imaginary situations.
We use would when we talk about something that is not real, but we imagine it or wish for it.
For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world.
I don't have $1 million, but I am imagining it, so I use would.
Or, if I were a bird, I would fly to Paris.
I am not a bird, but it's a nice dream.
The structure is simple. If I had, I would. Or, if I were, I would.
Say it with me. If I had more time, I would study English every day.
If I had more time, I would study English every day.
Now it's your turn. Think of your wish and make your own sentence with would.
Write it in the comments. We would love to read your sentences.
Now let's have a fun conversation about wishes.
Jack, if you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
Ooh, great question. I think I would live in Japan. The food, the culture, everything is amazing.
Really? What would you do there every day?
I would eat sushi every morning, visit beautiful temples, and learn Japanese.
That sounds wonderful. And what about the language? Would you find it difficult?
Yes, I think it would be difficult at first, but I would study very hard.
I like your attitude. Okay, my turn. If I could do any job in the world, I would be a travel writer.
Oh, really? Where would you go first?
I would go to Italy first. I would write about the food, the art, the people.
That would be amazing. You would be a great travel writer, Emily.
Did you hear how natural wood sounds in wishes? It's just like talking about your dreams. Now, the third use, and this one is very interesting, we use wood to talk about things we did regularly in the past, our old habits.
Like used to?
Yes, very similar to used to. For example, when I was a child, I would wake up early every morning.
I don't wake up early now, but I did it regularly as a child, so I use would.
Or, every summer, we would go to the beach as a family.
That's a nice memory. You can also say, my grandmother would make amazing soup every Sunday.
It gives a feeling of nostalgia, something warm and memorable from the past.
Say it with me. When I was young, I would play outside every day.
When I was young, I would play outside every day.
Think of a childhood memory and make a sentence with would. It's a beautiful way to tell stories.
Jack, tell me about your childhood. What would you do on weekends?
Oh, I have such good memories. Every Saturday, my father would take us to the park.
That sounds lovely. What would you do at the park?
We would play football, fly kites, and eat ice cream. It was the best day of the week.
And what about your mother? What would she do?
She would sit under a big tree and read her book, and sometimes she would call us for homemade sandwiches.
Oh, that sounds so wonderful. In my childhood, every Sunday, my family would watch a movie together at home.
Really? What kind of movies would you watch?
We would watch cartoons mostly. I would laugh so much every single time.
Beautiful, right? Using wood, you can paint a picture of your past. It feels real and alive.
Try it yourself. Think of a happy memory and tell us in the comments. Perfect! Now let's review all the key phrases and structures from today.
Number 1. Would you like some tea?
Number 2. I would like a coffee, please.
Number 3. Would you help me, please?
Number 4. If I had more time, I would study every day.
Number 5. If I were a bird, I would fly to Paris.
Number 6. Where would you live?
Number 7. When I was young, I would play outside every day.
Number 8. Every Sunday, my family would watch a movie.
Number 9. That would be amazing.
Number 10. I would love to.
10 structures. 10 ways to use would.
10 structures. 10 ways to use would. Repeat these sentences every day.
Wow, what an amazing lesson today.
We are so proud of you for watching until the very end.
Today you learned 3 powerful ways to use would for polite requests, for wishes, and for past habits.
Now it's homework time. Go to the comments below and write one sentence using would.
Maybe a wish. If I could fly, I would. Finish the sentence. We want to read it.
Or tell us a childhood memory using would. It can be funny, sweet, anything.
And if this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Subscribe to Daily English Talks and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
New lessons every week. Easy, fun, and real English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.